Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat prep channel Quantifiers. So today we are going to cover a very different type of set, that is the entry exit set in our daily DIR series. You will understand how to connect the dots when it comes to set like these. Okay. Now, like always, before we move to the set, a little formality, a special course for the people who fear DI. Apart from this, you can leverage the full 400 set DILR course, which will include 2 concept classes and will include extra pillars that you will get apart from that. And all that is available at just rupees 5,500. And if you wish to be the part of it, you can join with the link given in the description. Okay. Now let's move to the set. Let's see what it says. Jay, Adi, Ram, Chintu, Bhim, Raj, and Sita often played in a garden in their locality. One day, the guard noticed 10 broken flower pots and he suspected that it was work of the 7 children. So, someone among the children have broken the flower pots. Okay. The guard got the following answer when he tried to find out who was present in the garden on that day. He found out that 3 children had visited the garden twice. Okay. So then Jay came, when I came, Ram and Adi were already playing. We 3 were the first ones to reach the garden. So pretty easy thing. I know that who are the first 2 people. I don't know who is the first or the second, but I know. I later left with Ram. Okay. Adi says I went twice. So Adi is one of the 3 people who went twice. The first time I went was this, and then Beam says this. Some information. Raj says some information. Sita says some information. Nothing productive that I can pick up directly. Ram says that I and Sita both went twice to the garden. So now I know that Adi went twice, and Ram is saying that I and Sita went twice. So Adi, Ram, and Sita. These are the 3 people who have gone twice. Okay, Adi, Ram, and Sita. Okay. So I and Sita went together, and Frisbee, which she forgot the first time she went there. So what I will do now. See, there is a very common methodology in these type of questions. What you will do, we will always form a table like this. Entry, exit, and stay. So people are divided into 3 categories. When they will enter in their order, they will be put like this, then exit and then stay. So this is how we will go. So let's write it down. So entry, exit, and stay. So I have taken a lot of rows. Maybe I'll waste some, or maybe I'll have to draw some new. But let us just start putting in the information that I know. So 3 people that came twice are Adi, Ram, and Sita. So Adi, Ram, and Sita. They went twice. Okay. So let's start point by point and let's see what I can fill. Jay. When I came, Ram and Adi were already playing, and we were the first ones to reach the garden. So when Jay came, Ram and Adi were already there. So Ram plus Adi are already there, and they are the first ones to reach the garden. And then Jay left with Ram. So Jay at some time will leave along with Ram. Okay. Adi. I went twice to that garden that evening. Okay, we have considered that. The first time I went was only for a short time and left immediately after Chintu arrived. So we don't know that who was in the park when Adi arrived, so I will not use it as of now. So yeah, Adi ka to hame pata hai, Adi arrived that time, but when he left, I don't know. So abhi, let's see. And also we know that he anyway came before Chintu because these are the first 3 people. The second time I arrived, isko abhi hum dekhenge. So this is the second time information. Let us keep it intact. We will keep it later. So the second time I arrived, Bhim and Raj were the only person chatting for some time. I and Sita were the last person to leave. So Adi and Sita are the last people to leave, persons to leave. So I'll write Adi plus Sita. I don't know where they will go, but let me just keep it on the bottom part. Okay. So, and Adi left immediately after Chintu arrived. So, as soon as Chintu will come, Adi will leave. Okay. Bhim. I went to meet Chintu while he was playing. So Chintu जो है भीम से पहले आया है, and only Jay and Ram, Chintu, Jay and Ram were present. So Chintu, Jay is already there, Ram is already there, and when Bhim came, Chintu was also there. Okay, so can I very aptly just assume that Chintu came here? As soon as Chintu came, Adi left. This is what is given to me. Chintu came, Adi left, and then the people staying there that time of movement were Ram plus Jay. These were the people staying there. Okay, Adi has left. Okay, and Jay and Ram and Adi were here. Now, when Bhim came, only three people are there. That are Chintu, Ram, and Jay. Okay, so Bhim came. Three people are there. Chintu, Ram, and Jay. Okay, so Chintu is there. Ram is there. And Jay is there. Okay. Now see one point. I am just interrupting. One point where a student get confused so much, they make so much cases in their mind that what if some people had came after Chintu and then left before Bhim, and in that case also Bhim will be before Chintu. So that is one of the probabilities. What we will do, we will just assume one case and we will keep on going. If I feel that if I am not making the conditions right, then I will come back and correct. Okay, so avoid making some extra circumstances in your mind only. Avoid that thing. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. भीम का पॉइंट हो गया. अब भीम के बारे में और क्या दिया हुआ है? दैट भीम रिटर्न विद राज एंड राम. सो भीम प्लस राज plus Ram, they came back. I don't know when, but these are the people who there. So Ram is already there. Okay, so Ram is staying there for a very long time. Even Raj will come. Okay, Raj, I went to wish happy birthday to Sita, but when I reached, only Chintu and Bhim were there. So Chintu and Bhim were the only people there when Raj left, which means that two people left, Ram and Jay, and I also know that Jay and Ram left, which means at some point Jay plus Ram took an exit, making only Bhim plus Chintu available, and at that moment Raj made an entry. Okay, so Raj made an entry. He came to wish Sita, but to his disappointment, Sita was not there. Only in Chintu and Bhim were there, and Sita joined them later. So Chintu plus Bhim were there. So these are the only three people. Now Sita says, when I reached the garden, only four of us were there. So now see, देखो राज ने तो कहा ही है कि सीता थी, सीता आई थी बाद में. Raj went to wish. So Raj and Sita are the two people definitely, and Sita is saying Bhim and Raj were there. Sorry, Bhim and Raj were there. Okay, so Bhim and Raj were there. Okay, Bhim and Raj were there. So Bhim, Raj, Chintu and Sita were the four people, and who were playing? Bhim and Raj were playing badminton. So I went home along with my brother. So Sita आई. सीता ने आके देखा कि राज और भीम बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हैं, तो वो चिंटू के साथ यानी अपने भाई के साथ वापस चली गई. तो दिस ओनली मीन्स दैट चिंटू एंड सीता आर सिबलिंग्स. ठीक है, सो सीता एंड चिंटू लेफ्ट and they are brother sister. So I just keep it. Okay, so they are brother and sister here. Okay, now what else I know? I know that they have two left. So who are the people left? Bhim and Raj, who were playing badminton, are the only two people left there now. Okay, as of now. Now have all the people 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, all the 7 people have made an entry once. Okay, now the people will enter twice. Okay, who have entered twice? Adi, Ram and Sita. So what do we know about them? So about Adi, I know that when Adi had made a statement, the second time I arrived, only Bhim and Raj were the people chatting. So Bhim and Raj are already there, which means Adi must have come here. So this is when Adi came. And then I and Sita were the last people to leave. So Adi and Sita were the last people to leave, which means Bhim plus Raj were here when Adi arrived. And then what happened? I and Sita both went twice to garden. Then Ram and Sita also came. So Ram plus Sita also came. Nobody exited at that time, but the total people were Bhim, Raj, and Adi just came. Okay, so these are the 5 people. Now it is given to me that Adi and Sita were the last two to leave, which means the other 3 must have left before them. And I also know that Bhim, Raj and Ram left. So Bhim, Raj and Ram left. Bhim, Raj, Ram left, leaving behind Adi and Sita, and they left at the end. So this will complete my arrangement. See, I didn't feel any obstacle. I didn't find any obstacle when I was moving it this way. So this means my assumptions, if any, were correct. Okay, so this is the way you tackle these sets. You just try to keep on connecting the dots without thinking about more of the circumstances. And in fact, this is the key for DILR. You don't make circumstances in your mind. You just go ahead with the set. Okay, let us see the questions now. So my first question is this: who is Sita's brother? So as marked, Sita's brother is Chintu. Okay, so Chintu is option number 3. So Chintu is option number 3. Second, how many people Raj met in the garden? So Raj arrived here. 2 people are already here, Chintu plus Bhim. Then Sita. Then, okay, so let me write, when Raj came, Chintu was already there, Bhim was already there, Sita was already there. Then Raj also came. And then Adi also came. And then they all left. So all in all, he met 5 people there. So he met 5 people there. Okay, very easy. And who was the 5th person to enter? The 5th person to enter was Bhim. So Ram and Adi were the first two. Jai, Chintu and Bhim was the 5th one to enter. So this completes my set. I hope you understood the concept behind it. Okay. And if you did, please do subscribe to our channel and join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.